Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Today I have 50 beautiful ideas of hobbies you can pick up to keep you from doom scrolling. So we have different sections, these being creative hobbies, active hobbies, social and fun hobbies, learning-based hobbies, and relaxing solo hobbies. Starting with creative hobbies. First hobby for me would be try drawing new styles. If you're already someone who draws, this is a really good idea. Painting with watercolors or acrylics. This is something that can be really quick. You don't really have to do something elaborate. Just look something up on Pinterest, see what you like, see what you get inspired by, and you can always try. It doesn't have to be perfect. Journaling. You can always start a journal. You can also buy one of those fill-up journals where you just answer certain questions and they really help to get everything you need out. Scrapbooking with printed photos. I saw this on TikTok a lot and I thought it was really cool. You don't really need to buy a lot of supplies as they do on TikTok, of course, but you can just do this by keeping certain memories from your trips. For example, you can keep a plane ticket or a train ticket, or just pictures that you've printed out, photo booth pictures, and you just stick them on a piece of paper. And when you have it on this notebook, on the scrapbook, it's really cute to look back on. Coloring in adult coloring books. You can just buy a coloring book, do it with whatever colors you want. There's some that are really cute that I've seen on social media, so you can definitely buy those, or just go to a local shop and see if you find one. Making friendship bracelets. Those that are made with beads. You can either buy these strings or you can buy beads. You can make beaded bracelets, which are easier to make, or you can make, they're made with strings. I don't really know how to call them, but I've made those multiple times and I think it's really fun to make. Sometimes it seems like it's harder to make than it is. So usually you can just look up a tutorial on YouTube or literally on TikTok. That's how I learned to make mine. Decorating phone cases. You can either cut out images, stickers, or things that remind you of something, put them in the background of your phone, or you can just paint a new phone case. Collaging with old magazines, it's also a really good idea. DIY simple jewelry, decorate notebooks. Next, we're going to active hobbies. It could be walking or jogging in the park. Dance. You can either play Just Dance, or if you don't have it, you can look it up on YouTube, or literally just play your favorite music that you would like to dance to and just dance alone in your room while no one's looking at you. Going to the gym. I personally love going to the gym and spending time at the gym because it really makes me have something to do. If you're new at the gym, there's no need for you to be anxious about it. No one's really paying attention to you. Unless you're doing something that could harm you, they will help you, and that's all they want. You shouldn't feel embarrassed at all. Skipping the rope. This is something that is really fun, and I haven't personally done it at home, but I know that when I did it at school, it was really fun to just spend time in learning tricks with the rope. Doing beginner yoga or stretch routines. You can either look these up on YouTube, or you can sign yourself up for a class. Riding a bike around your neighborhood. And if you don't know how to ride a bike, just learn how to ride it. Roller skating. Playing badminton or ping pong. Kicking a soccer ball in the yard, or going for a swim. Social and fun hobbies. Organize a picnic with your friends. Make cookies or brownies. I personally love doing this one. Making smoothies or mocktails. Just look them up and do them. Have a themed sleepover with your friends. Play card games or board games. You can do this either with your family or invite friends over. Visit a local cafe and try different drinks. Go thrifting with friends. Make a playlist for friends. Watch movies and rate them. You can take Polaroid pictures and decorate your room. Learning-based hobbies. Learn how to cook simple recipes. You can either get inspired by Pinterest and just see these recipes and try to make them. I swear, cooking is not that hard. I learned cooking just by trying and realizing it's not as bad as it looks. Write a poem or a short story. Start a small diary. Learn basic phrases in a new language. Explore photography on your phone. And by that I mean learn how to take professional pictures on your phone. Maybe try to go out, take certain photos, see what looks good, learn how the camera works, etc. Watch documentaries on topics you enjoy. Learn simple origami. This is so fun, and I've personally loved doing that since I was a kid. Take care of your houseplants. If you play an instrument, you can try to learn a new song, and if you don't, just learn how to play a new instrument. Read a new book series. Relaxing solo habits. listen to a podcast or an audiobook, organize your space like your room or maybe your house, create an aesthetic and pretty board online. You could do it on Pinterest or even on Canva. Press flowers or leaves in books. Rearrange your bookshelf or your closet. Collect stickers. Paint your nails or try new nail art. You can stargaze at night, watch calming ASMR videos, or journal your dreams or goals. And next is bonus ones. Design and decorate a picture wall on your room. Start a skincare or self-care routine. Learn new hairstyles. Watch the sunrise or the sunset. Make DIY face masks. Start a gratitude journal. I've talked about multiple journals in this video, but I believe that a gratitude journal, you can do it separately or you can just add extra pages and just write down everything. Every single little thing you're grateful for, like being able to wake up today, being able to have a house, to be able to speak, to move, to exercise, study, to go to school, to own certain things, to be able to enjoy reading, to enjoy traveling, to travel in the first place, to have friends, to have a partner if you do, etc. Practice different makeup looks. Host a tea party. Set up a mini herb or floral garden. I already said make smoothies, but you can really try to make smoothie bowls. This was my list of 50 plus ideas of hobbies you can pick up instead of doom scrolling. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful week. Bye bye.